Hey everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today's tutorial is an Adobe After Effects CC 2018. Anyway, even if you are using an old version, you can benefit in this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to render your video in After Effects. My name is Samuel Gator. I am from Nigeria and I speak English. My mother tongue is Hausa, so that you can see the tutorial which is translated between our mother tongue. Don't be confused. Okay, open Adobe After Effects. But before rendering, make sure you are on the main composition which you want render. Then go to the composition. You can use Add to Adobe Media Encoder. The benefit of this, you can work on your After Effects. Okay, but I am using Add to Render Queue. Now you can see lossless, click on lossless. Then format. Select QuickTime. If you don't have it, download it. Now click Format option. Select the format you want. Now you are good to go. Thank you for watching. See you next time.